Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating power and connection issues. Plug the original charger into a known good outlet and connect the watch for at least 10-15 minutes. This rules out a drained battery. While charging, inspect magnetic pins and cable for grime or bent contacts and clean gently with isopropyl on a cotton swab. Once done, perform the force restart. Hold the power and back buttons together for 10-20 seconds, because a frozen kernel often causes a black screen even with power present. Once a force restart fails, move into boot and recovery procedures. You need the exact button combo for your model to enter recovery or bootloader mode. Hold power plus volume or crown as specified and watch for vibration cues. First, try a soft reset from recovery because it attempts to repair system files without erasing data. If the soft reset doesn't restore display, prepare for a factory reset, but be aware this erases personal data, so back up if possible before proceeding. If recovery resets don't work, reflash the official firmware using the vendor's PC tool and the precise firmware image for your model. This corrects deep system corruption. Meanwhile, open the case only if comfortable. Inspect the display flex cable and connector for dislodged or corroded contacts, then reseat gently. Make sure to ground yourself. If the screen remains black after reflashing and reseating, you likely have a hardware failure. Contact authorized repair or replace the display/module. If it fails, try a different cable or charger first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.